Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Xbox. First, make sure your Xbox console is connected to the internet. You will need a reliable connection for the best experience. Next, navigate to the Xbox store and download the Roblox application, which is completely free. Once installed, launch the app. You can then log in using your existing Roblox account or, if you are new, create a brand new account right there on your console. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once you are logged in, you will find a vast universe of games to explore. The Roblox application on Xbox features an extensive library of experiences, all created by other players. You can easily browse through different categories or use the search function to pinpoint a specific game you want to play. When you find an experience that catches your eye, simply select it and press the A button on your Xbox controller to jump right into the action. While playing, you can interact with millions of other players from around the globe. Use the in-game chat to communicate, but always remember to be respectful. You can also customize your avatar with a huge variety of items, making your character truly unique. For younger players, Xbox offers robust parental controls, allowing guardians to manage screen time, content access, and spending, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience for everyone. To truly enhance your Roblox experience on Xbox, a stable internet connection is key for smooth gameplay and minimal lag. Don't be afraid to venture beyond your usual game types. There are countless genres and experiences waiting to be discovered. If you enjoy playing with friends, consider using an Xbox headset. This allows for clear voice communication, making teamwork and social interaction much more engaging and fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.